Press this rectangle button, hold it down until the up arrow starts flashing. Safety sensors will be off for the limits. Now we're going to set the up limit. It's going to go on its slowest speed if it's on a DC opener. Now let it go. And if you want to make some adjustments, just press the down button. I'm going to make more adjustments up. And I'm going to set the down limit by pressing it once, and then setting the down limit by holding it down. And then when you're done setting the down limit, you're going to press the rectangle button again, and it's going to do its own limits. Force, I meant. There's going to be a series of beeps, meaning it's time to open and close the garage. You can see the full speed in tax, and so does the down. Free beeps means the force and limits are done.